Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search for a song inside a playlist on YouTube Music using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom, tap Library. Here you will see all your playlist, album and liked song. Tap on Playlist option at the top to see all the playlists you have saved or created. Next, select the playlist where you want to find song. Once the playlist is open, you will see a search bar at the top or a magnifying glass icon depending on the version. Tap on it to activate the search. Now type the name of song, artist or even a keyword into the search bar. YouTube Music will instantly filter the result and highlight only the songs in that playlist that match what you type. This makes it super quick to find exactly what you are looking for. If you don't see the search bar right away, scroll slightly up in the playlist and it will appear. Once you find the song, just tap on it to start playing. You can also use this method for really big playlists so you don't have to scroll forever to find a single track. And that's it. Now you know how to search within a playlist on YouTube Music using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.